So after pre-MOT check, the things with the Mini Cooper doesn't look good and doesn't look bad at all. Of course, after little inspection, this front subframe is a little bit corroded and that's failure. The rear subframe is completely fucked, that need to be replaced. The front one will be saved with some welding, so it's no end of the world, but the rear definitely need to go. Also, that three lights on the dashboard, what I mentioned before, is traction, ABS and handbrake. They are related to ABS pump, which need to be replaced. I'm gonna check for the number in a minute and then see if I can get the second one, and that second one need to be coded as well. My mechanic told me the mine can be checked, but to be honest, to get the second hand is gonna be probably cheaper than actually checking mine. If it's fail, is no point to do anything. What else is I was a little bit afraid about the coolant temperature sensor, and I'm be told I'm a little bit overreacted in that electric temperature gauge is gonna jump between numbers. When you have normal in the car on the dashboard is showing the 90 degree, but is a jump between like 70 and 100 something, but just because it's stable, so that doesn't stress too much the drivers, so they are a little bit different. On Mini Cooper, just to check the temperature, you have to go to the hiding menu, few option is work a little bit with the VIN number, and then actually showing you the live data, but of course Arbitol is completely fine, so we check the car for any oil leak. Is it dry? The only leak that we found is from the air condition, from the connector. Actually, somebody did some work before. If I could remember, the owner told me the radiator has been replaced at some point, so or is the the connector is just have some drop, so it's no end of the world, of course. So yes, I have a little bit of work, and basically I did research already. I can get the full subframe is fully complete for around the £100. Is it just I'm gonna make the video and few pictures just to make sure the other one is exactly the same. It's gonna come off from the Mini Cooper 2012. It's the same model, but I need to be sure if I'm gonna pay that's gonna be exactly the same and fit perfectly to mine. It's from local garage, so I don't need to travel anyway. £100 is no end of the world. I think the ABS pump is gonna be around the £50, plus that need to be coding. Of course, is the project car is not gonna be very expensive to put this car through the MOT, and actually I want to use this car for a little bit. I still got some ideas in my head. Just need to pass that little test. So yes, I didn't expect the rear subframe is in that bad condition, but I'm gonna make the video and pictures just to show you guys what I'm talking about. Soon this one is gonna be replaced. The rest of the stuff is I'm quite happy with the engine, with the coolant, and also that air condition need to be, that the connector need to be sealed, or just to check. So as always with the car is something to do. So my hands is gonna be full of work, and finger cross is in next month I'm gonna be the happy owner of the Mini Cooper. And then I can move a little bit with my ideas, but I will show a little bit what I done already. I start to wrap the chromes because I didn't like them at all. So that was before. Now is with the lovely wrap. The front as well, I'm gonna order the batches. And the front grille, I just done the 2 stripes, and 2 of them they are still on the floor just to wait to be wrapped. I really want to carry on, but first I need to get as close as possible to the ABS pump, which is over there, and get the number, I think, from the bottom. So I'm gonna replace few things and see what's happened. Okay, so yesterday I've been trying get the part number from my ABS pump, but look like a impossible mission without actually removing it. And it's very solid, you know, all the ABS tubes or pipes, they cannot be just disconnect and connect. Then actually that pump need to be bleeding later on with the diagnostic tool, which I don't have at the moment, and I'm really consider to buy one. So what I plan, instead like breaking my wrist and try to squeezing the phone just to get the proper reading, I'm decide to treat myself with a boroscope camera. I found one on the marketplace, which is appeared a few days ago, and I spoke with a lady to get some deal because I don't wanna pay top price for the stuff. I'm always try to reduce as much as possible. And later on I'm gonna drive to South Austell, which is almost 1 hour away from Plymouth, just to buy one. The only reason why I'm traveling because this boroscope is very good quality. It's brand new, never been used as well. And I did a little bit research on YouTube and watched so many review, and I'm quite impressed of the quality. And actually this is why you know, that convinced me to get one and actually, you know, have a go. It's not gonna cost too much. I'm reduced price to £70, but this boroscope probably I'm gonna use more often because I'm quite liking playing in the cars. Soon I bought this one. The big problem actually my head is busy, and actually, you know, like I'm learning so many things, and I do some research as well, which is quite interesting just to come back. But after MOT is a little bit headache, but that will be done anyway. So this is the story of my ABS pump. I'm gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna drive to South Austell, come back and get the proper part number just to get the parts. Okay, so I'm the lucky bastard and I got my boroscope, which hasn't been even used once. It looks like new. It looks like no one even touched it for half of the price. I'm a little bit gypsy, and of course I was able to drop the price a little bit more, and I will see if that boroscope is gonna help me to read the part number from my ABS pump. What a happy time I have with this camera now. Hang on. I can see now very clear the number without removing parts. What a happy time. It's really good quality as well. Okay, so now I'm going under the car just to show what we got over here. Yeah, somebody tried to paint it, and yeah, it's over here. So this is my little story with the Mini Cooper. I did expect some failure. So as I said before, my hand is gonna be full of work, and finger crossed will be nice and easy. Bye bye.